Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, the dent coin started jumping, and personally, I'm very happy to see this kind of changes occur in the dent coin. I really love dent coin this time, my friends. Dent coin is now, I think, trending token in the market. You can see here dent coin positive 6.46%. Positive 6.46%. The price is start increasing with this rate. So absolutely, if the changes is positive, that's mean that you are in the profit, my friends. And you can see here, I really appreciate this jump of the dent coin. And you know what, my friends, I also told you in my previous videos that dent coin is now in the trending token in the market. And you can see here, I also told you in my many videos that hold to the last of this month, hold dent coin to the last of this month. And now you can see it is the ending of a month, and in the ending of a month the dent coin start jumping. So that's why I'm telling you again and again that please hold it, please hold it, please hold it. So now you are in the profit because you hold. And my friends, that is the permanent jump of the dent coin for 7 days, for 1 week, and for 8 days, my friends. They continue this jump for 1 week. I'm sure about that they continue this jump for a long time. My friends, if you look the previous time changes of the dent coin, so in the previous time also the price of dent coin is fast down, but now the current situation is going positive, my friends. So that's why once again I recommend for all of you to please hold it and don't decide to sell on this price. That is just the beginning. The huge pump is coming soon. Wait for it and patience. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.